How diddly diddly there, people. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, or good night, depending on where you're in the world. D-Unit here. Yes, finally. I have a decent build for you for Act1M8. It's been quite the fuckery, pardon my French, but so I'm gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna walk you through the install, and I'm gonna unlock a couple phones for you too. I got an iPhone 7 and an iPhone 6s. So first things first, download .act1m8.me, and don't worry about that. Just hit download and allow. Okay. Boom, done. All right. Now, when you do download it, depending on which version of macOS you're running, you're going to have to right click on it and hit open. And hit open. And then hit continue, and then hit continue, and install, and then type your computer password. Okay. Boom goes the dynamite. Alright. I'm going to leave that window open because we're going to need that for the trust thing later. So, whoop, come on. There we go. Alright. Now it's going to do it's because it's got to make sure you have all the required libraries, so type your computer password again. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. And hit return. It's going to install that. And depending on if you've ever had that installed before, this might take a few minutes. So this is already done on mine. So okay, all right. Pretty simple. I know the interface looks different if you've seen the previous one, but it's simple. You can get the buttons down here and click on them. So let's do this one first. I got an iPhone 7 here. Hello. English, United States. Set it manually. Wireless. And just to show you, it is iCloud locked. There we go. Okay. And where's my cord? Here. There's my cord. Let's plug it in. And like I said, remember, if you don't show up right away, you probably have to hit trust. Go up into thing and go up trust here. Trust. There we go. Alright, let's hit the automatic mode. I know it's automatic. I like to say automatic. I actually thought about calling it automatic. Ooh, excuse me. Alright. Okay. Oh. Let's see if I can.
Volume down button.
Oh, that's really loud too.
Okay, you can let go of the volume button. The jailbreak is being installed now.
It sure is. Sorry about that. And it's not being installed right now because I screwed up the key combinations. Look at that. Live right here on television. Okay. And trust again. Should we get that out of the way? I'm gonna kill this just because I screwed up the combinations and I don't want to sit there and wait forever. So let's try this again. Automatic mode. Okay, here we go.
Press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Release the power button, but do not let go of the volume down button.
There we go. Okay.
You can let go of the volume button. The jailbreak is being installed now.
And boom goes the dynamite. Here we go. Okay. And nope, just make sure that the trust thing again. Which probably will. Yeah, trust. Trust is an issue apparently. Okay. English. Okay.
Here's where we had a great
yeah, but you know what? It still did it anyways. No, it didn't actually. Huh. I wonder what's up with that. Oh, don't tell me there's fuckery going on now. Let's try it again. Drum roll, please. There we go. Now it did it. It's just because I had to fuck with it for a second and, get it out of, do it out of turn. Sometimes you might just have an error and you just might have to just, don't be afraid to run it again and again and again and again and again. Sometimes it's that 118th try that will get it done for you, so. Whoops. I didn't want to do that, but that's okay. Continue. And there you go. We're into that one. Let's reload my app here because I didn't mean to close it. Okay, so we're into that iPhone 7. Let's get that one out of the way. I got a 6S here. English. Pick your country. Let's see. I'm in.
Hello, audio commentary here. Just so you know, because I forgot to mention it, and you're probably curious, but both iPhones that I had unlocked, the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 6S, they're both running the latest 14.3.
And gotta do a trust thing again, I suppose. Yep. Okay. Alright, we don't. And Act1M8 knows which way you have to put in DFU, because this one, you have to hold the volume down, or the power button in the home. And it knows that, so.
Press and hold the power button and the home button.
And the home button. One. Release.
Release the power button, but do not let go of the home button.
Don't let go of the home button. No, Jack, don't let go. I'll never let go. No, don't mind me.
Okay,
there we
you
go.
can let go of the home button. The jailbreak is being installed now.
I won't touch it this time, so the iCloud, the bypass will hopefully be uninterrupted, unerrored, I should say. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Oh, gotta pay attention for that trust. Once you get all the trusts out of the way, then you never have to do it again. I should do it on a different computer. iPhone and trust. Boom, goes the dynamite. Okay. Yeah. United States.
Here's where we had a great
and I guess that's just maybe a different bug that I have to try to figure out. Maybe just for the first time, for whatever reason, it just doesn't want to do it. I don't know why. That's new because it never did that before. Funny, it never did this at home before. Anyways. There we go.
Excellent.
And it's always that second time around, apparently. I don't know why. Whoops, I don't want to do Touch ID. Thank you. Okay, and I'm going to take you all the way to the end again just to show you. Boom. Set up later. Boom. Continue. Continue. No Siri. Continue. No. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. There you go, kids. I run out of phones to unlock. Well, I mean, I could, but I don't want to unlock the other 50 iPhones that I have. And, this video will be, 300 years long. So, here you go. Act1M8.me. M-E. download it. You want to get a direct download, just download.act1m8.me. It'll unlock anywhere from a 5S to an iPhone 10. The 5S I'm having a little trouble with, but I'll get that fixed here shortly. And, you know, as you notice, I've had the little problem there, but you know what? Just kind of keep doing it. Pay attention to your trusts over here, you know. And good luck. If you have any questions, check out support.act1m8.me. Thanks, guys. Keep on keeping on. Have a beautiful, unbricked iPhone day. Keep on keeping on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a beautiful day. Remotely managed.